Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you an important thing about the Waze app. How to report a crash in the Waze app. Now imagine this, you're driving and then you see a crash, a car crash or any crash of any sort. Now if you want to report this accident, you're gonna have to follow these simple instructions. But before we start, the Waze app is available in the Play Store and also in the App Store. So if you want to download this from there, you can download this depending on your device. Now let's go back to our topic and learn how to report this crash. Now, when you encounter a crash, don't interact with your phone while driving. It's very important that you park before you do that, and you have a passenger. They can open the report menu and select the crash option. Also, if you're alone, wait until you're safely stopped before using the app. Now, you're gonna have to select the crash report and confirm the location. As you can see, this is the report button. We're gonna click on it. And you're gonna see a lot of options from here. You're gonna see report traffic, police, or crash. We're gonna select the crash option. Then you're gonna confirm the location, and Waze can then share the report with other users so they can be aware of the incidents ahead. And don't stop unnecessarily to report a crash, and never put yourself in danger to get closer to an incident. If emergency assistance is indeed, contact the appropriate emergency services rather than relying on a navigation report. And once the report is submitted, continue driving safely and carefully and follow the road signs and instructions from the authorities. And that's how you report a crash in Waze. And if this guide helped you, leave a like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.